a variation of the camel pose. Ready? The modification, right? If you can't do the full pose, first watch me with the modification. My right hand holding the right heel. I'm not turning my hip, which you have to really pay attention. Don't turn the hip. Then left hand up, left hand forward. But push your right hip forward, but right shoulder back. Ready? The actual pose, your right hand back, holding the left leg, and left hand pointing at your right heel. Now see how much you are able to deepen the twist and arch, left hand reaching for the right heel. Let's slowly come out. Let's repeat that again one more time. Now remember, this happens. Your hip tends to turn like this or drop like this, right? And you might not be bending the elbow. So as you reach the maximum arch, bend the elbow. Bend the elbow. Ready? One more time, please. Don't change it, same side. Ready? Right hand rotate, holding the right heel. If you can, holding the left heel. Now remember the right hip, push forward. Remember the left hand coming through the front and left hand fingers pointing at your right heel. Look at the floor, look between the knees, right shoulder back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now this pose is called Parivritta Ustrasana, right? A camel pose but twisting variation, right? Really good for stimulating your kidneys. Really good stretch for your abdominal organs. Really opens up your ribs, right? Many benefits when you do this posture. Deep breathing one more time. Deep breathing again. Now let's do the left side, please. So I'm going to change direction for you to observe again. Left shoulder roll back. Left hand hold the left heel. If you can, left hand hold the right heel. Left hand hold the right heel. Now see if your right hand can point at your left heel. Push your hips forward again, please. Normal breathing in the pose. Look to the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Can you take a deep breath? One more time. Deep breath one more time. Can we do it one more time, please? Unique movements, right? These are called twisting, backward bending, right? These are very new movements to the body. Repetition brings a lot more better coordination. Ready? Now left shoulder out. Left hand hold the right leg. Right hand comes through the front. Point your right hand fingers towards the left heel. Look between the knees on the floor. 5. Push your left hip forward. 4. Bend your left elbow. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Good. Give a gentle hunch. Can we do this pose called Namaskar Asana, right? Salutation pose, just to release that deep compression you feel on the lower back. Knees and feet together. This is not the child pose, remember that. Legs together, arms forward, and slowly bring your head resting on the floor. And stay here for a few breaths.